In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Outlook. Whether you accidentally sent an email to the wrong person, realized you need to update some information, or simply want to ensure your message is received, Outlook makes it straightforward to resend emails with just a few steps. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Outlook application on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the sidebar where you'll find various folders listed, like Inbox, Drafts, and Sent Items. Click on Sent Items. This is where all the emails that you've sent are stored and can be accessed easily. It's a handy feature of Outlook that not only lets you check past communications, but also, as we will see, allows you to resend emails if necessary. Now that you're in the Sent Items folder, scroll through to find the particular email you wish to resend. You can also use the search bar if you have a specific keyword in mind that can help you locate the message more quickly. Once you locate the email, give it a click to open it up. This will bring up the email in a new window, allowing you to examine its contents and make sure it's the correct message you intend to send again. With the email open, look for the menu bar at the top of the window. Here you will find a range of options including File, Home, Send/Receive, and others. You want to focus on the Message tab. Click on Message and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Actions. Under the Actions submenu, there's an option that says Resend this message. Go ahead and click that. At this point, Outlook duplicates your original email and prepares it for you to resend. You'll notice the original message contents are now ready and waiting in a new message window, just as if you were composing a new email. Before sending it off again, it's a good idea to use this opportunity to review and edit the email. Maybe you need to correct a few typos, or perhaps you need to update the details to include recent changes. You can modify the subject line, add or remove recipients, or even attach new files if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the email's content, it's time to send it. Do this by clicking on the Send button, typically located at the top left of the window, just as you would when sending a brand new email. Your revised message is now on its way, and there you have it. Resending an email in Outlook is as easy as that. By following these steps, you can ensure that your communication gets exactly where it needs to go every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more handy Outlook tips and tricks.